Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can create animation videos in the InVideo. So here basically I have opened the app and here you can see these create animate videos. So you can see here you have these short animate videos. I have made a separate video about shorts, so I will not discuss that in the video. If you have not watched that video yet, go and watch. Here you have this Disney style, claymation style, Lego style, animate style and script to video. Now here I will go and I will create a video on Disney first, so let's go and open. Now here you have to select like fast paced or very fast paced. So for now I will just go and try the very fast paced and save. Now here you have to select the platform, like if the video is for YouTube or YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reel. I will just go with YouTube and will save that. And then here you have to write the topic, and after that you have to select here the media. If you want to use stock media or generative media, I will just go with stock media here. And then the background, if you want a soft music, energetic, dramatic, you can select here. I will just go with a soft inspiration one. And similarly here for language you have many options. You can see that how much languages this InVideo offer. I will just go with English. And subtitle, for subtitle you also have many options, many styles, this popping, border styles. You can select any style from here. And you have these voices here. You can select the gender, like if you want to use male voice here or female voice, and what accent you want a British one, American one. You can select your accent from here. You can also write here any watermark text if you want to, or stock preference. Now just click on generate, and now here they have written our prompt in this box. So, and similarly here you can also see the model on the top. We are using currently their V3.0, which is the latest and the more advanced model. They had 2.0 and 1.0 previously. I will just go with their V3.0. And now here you have to select like if you want to use here stock media or generative media. Generative media is basically paid, stock media is free, so we will use this stock media. Here you have to select the duration, like if you want to generate 30-second video or 1 minute video or 1.5 minute video. And here you have this audience and platform, so you can select here what fits you best and then generate. Now here our video is ready, so let's go and play.
Dash into an epic race. Meet Lily. She's small, speedy, and a bit cheeky. The crowd goes wild as she zooms to the start line. Bang! Off she sprints, dodging puddles and giggling at butterflies. Will she win? With a heart full of courage, Lily leaps across the finish. Victory is sweeter when you race for fun and friendship. Who's next? Maybe it's you.
This video is quite good, music-wise, effect-wise, transition-wise, but was not as good as an animated video should be. Now let's go and try one more style before judging. Here you have more options, so I will just try here their claymation and then the video pacing. I will just go with the first one here, and then the platform, and then the topic on which you want to make the video. I have written here about the first flight, and then the stock media, what you want to use here. I will just go with stock media here, and then the languages, and of course the background music. Here I will just go with the short background music, and then the languages. Here you have many options. I will just go with the English here, and here you have many options for subtitles as well. You can select from these options, and the voice. For now I will just go with the male voice, and here you have many accents as well. You can select from these accents, and then the narrator, speaker, you have 4 options. You can select from these options and then simply click on generate. Now here again you have to select like if you want to create from generative media or stock media, and then the duration, audience, and then the platform. Now our video is ready, so let's go and play.
Because flying is just that awesome. Let's dive into the world of first flights. Picture this, a tiny clay bird perched on a branch gazing at the sky. The wind whispers, it's time. Heart racing, wings trembling, our little hero takes a deep breath, and jump! Higher and higher it goes, wobbling, flapping like crazy, and almost crashing into a tree. But then, whoosh! It catches the wind and suddenly it's soaring. Below, everything looks so small. The world is a colorful patchwork quilt. Our birdie does loop-de-loops, feeling...
Here in this video you can see some of the animation clips. If we compare this video with the previous one, this video has more animation clips as compared to the previous one. Now let's try one more style. Here we have this Lego style. Here I have selected a fast-paced, and for media I will just go with stock media. And here you have this languages, voice, and background music. You can select according to your own choice. So here I will just go with a female voice, and here you have many accents. You can select whatever fits you best. For topic I'm writing here a fun holiday and will generate that. Our video is ready, so let's go and play.
Sandy beaches made of Lego bricks, skyscrapers that touch the Lego clouds, and roller coasters that loop-de-loop faster than you can say Brickmaster. Stop and smell the Lego flowers in brick gardens, or take a dip in the Lego lagoon.
These videos don't have such good animation clips and I'm not that much impressed with the animation, but for stock wise images these videos are really good. I have also created one more about birthday in the hand drawing style.
Giant posters of your favorite heroes, fantastic cosplay costumes, and epic battles in every corner. With theme decorations and music straight from your top anime shows, your birthday becomes a legendary event.
These videos were supposed to be in hand drawing style, but this animation video does not turn out that good. With the stock video you can't see such good results, but with the generative field you can see some good effects here. For using the generative media you have to buy their subscription plans. Here in the plus plan you have no credit for the generative field, and here in the free plan you also have no generative credits, and in the maximum plan you have almost 60-second credits, which is not enough, and in the generative you have 15-minute generative credits, which is good. So if you want to create this animation video you can buy the generative plan and you can create these types of video with the help of their generative media. The animation video generated by the stock media are kind of okay, but if you want high quality and good animation videos then it's recommended to buy their generative plan for these generative credits.